Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday and as what you have noticed, katatapos ko lang din mag-prepare. So, since it's Friday, naka-Goodyear uniform tayo today. So, anyway guys, samahan niyo ako na pumunta na sa work. So, let's go guys! So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work and for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales and aside from that guys, we will also check the sales kung pumasok ba lahat sa passbook natin and since malapit na din yung month end, kailangan ko na mag-start sa lahat ng mga reports ko para at least before pa mag-month end is nakapag-start na ako para at least hindi na ako hassle at the end of month. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako. So, yan guys, still working and as what you have noticed, hindi naman tayo loaded today kasi nga katatapos lang din ng delivery doon sa Katarman and after work nga pala guys, we decided na bumili ng iced coffee doon sa Genzi mamaya. So, yun lang yung magiging ganap ko today. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and tapusin ko lang din muna yung work ko. So, yan guys, patapos na rin ako sa work and actually wala namang ibang ganap today aside from bibili kami ng iced coffee and after that, diretso lang din kami sa bahay kasi obviously, taong bahay lang din kami ng partner ko. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and tapusin ko lang din muna yung work ko. So, yan guys, we're here at Gen Z and after namin bumili, diretso lang kami sa bahay. So, yan guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!